Hello and welcome to the video on law of sines and law of cosines. So first we're going to start with what the law of sines is. So the law of sines is used when we have angle, angle, side, angle, or side, side, angle. And the law of sines is sine A, sine angle A over side middle A equals sine B over side middle B equals sine angle C over side middle C. And I'm just going to do the triangle real quick. So for triangle ABC, angle ABC, side middle A, middle B, and middle C. So that is the law of sines. The law of cosines is when we have side angle side or side side side. And there's three formulas for the law of cosines. The first one is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 bc cos A. The second one is the minus. Okay. The second one is b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. The third one is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. So if we have a triangle, here, and we call it A, B, C. And for the sides, we have 9 here, 13 here, and 7 here. So because we have side, 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 we would use law of cosines. Because side, side, side. So what we do is we just pick any, let's just start with a squared, and we can find angle A. You can start with any a squared, b squared, or c squared for this triangle. So if we start with a squared, so little a squared, so 7 squared equals, let me put the, so this is little a, let me put it a little bit. This is little a, little b, and little c. So little a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2b c cos angle A, which we do not know. So we just simplify this a little bit. Remember, we only simplified this side. We don't do this side because this part is multiplied with cos A, so we can't combine this. So if we simplify, we get 49 equals 250 minus 234. Oops. We subtract both sides by negative 250. We subtract both sides by 250. But we don't subtract this because this is multiplied with cos A, so we can't subtract that. We need to divide this. So 49 minus 250 equals negative 201 equals negative 234 cos A. We divide both sides by negative 234. And we get cos A equals 0.8597. To find angle A, we do inverse cosine because when we want to find angle, we do inverse sine cosotangent. So inverse cosine is 0.85897. This gives us the angle measure, which is, if we put that into our calculator, we get 30.8 degrees. And that is a measure of angle A. So that now that we have one angle, we can, for the next part, we can use law of cosines or law of sines. And I'm going to choose to use the law of sines. So if we use the law of sines, remember that the formula for the law of sines is sine A over little a equals sine B over little b equals sine C over little c. And so we have angle A and we have little a. So we would definitely use this one. But we can choose to use either this one or this one. So I'm just going to choose to use this one. So sine angle A, which is 30.8, we just solve for that, over sine little a, which is 7, equals sine B, which we don't want, over little b, which is 13. In order to solve this, we need to do a cross product. So we do sine B 7, sine B times 7 equals sine 30.8 times 13. You get sine be 7 equals, we put this into a calculator, and we get a value of 6.66. We divide both sides by 7, we'll get sine b equals 0.95. We're solving for an angle here. We're solving for angle B. So that means we use inverse sine 0.95. And that gives us an angle measure of 71.8 degrees. And that would be the measure of angle B. Well, now we have that one, we can just simply do 180 minus 71.8 minus 30.8, because all angles in a triangle add up to 180. And if we put that into our calculator, we get an angle of 77.4 degrees. And that is measure of angle C. And now that we have all the angles and we have all the sides, we have solved this triangle using law of cosines and law of sines.